Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to overdraft on Venmo. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, that's not the video for you. I truly apologize. So first, of course, you'll need to have Venmo downloaded. If you don't, make sure to go and download it and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, go and create an account. So first of all, can you overdraft with Venmo? If your Venmo account is used to make a payment that exceeds the balance in the linked bank account, the bank may charge overdraft fees, even if you choose not to allow overdraft with your bank. Of course, that's in the user agreement of Venmo that you can, of course, read here. Or I don't know if you, once you created your account, to read the user agreements. Most people doesn't, but anyway, if you violated some of them, they may freeze your account, but you don't have to worry about that because I've already made a video on how to enforce it. So you can check it out as well. Another article showing here like Venmo isn't or itself does not have an overdraft feature, but if your Venmo transaction is linked to a bank account with insufficient fund, your bank may allow the transaction to go through. So basically, can you how to overdraft with Venmo? You'll basically have or need to have first of all a linked bank account or linked credit card to your Venmo account, and you have that option allowed on your bank account or your credit card. If you have that allowed, Venmo might let you to overdraft, and you're basically overdrafting on Venmo if you pay with Venmo, while you don't have any insufficient like money in your account. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.